Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your guide to expanding your English vocabulary in a fun and practical way. Today, we're exploring a word that plays a vital role in offices, organizations, and beyond. Our word of the day is administrator. An administrator is a person who manages or organizes tasks in an organization or office. They are responsible for ensuring things run smoothly, whether it's scheduling meetings, managing budgets, or overseeing projects. You'll often find an administrator in schools, companies, hospitals, or government offices, working hard behind the scenes to keep everything on track. Now, let's look at some synonyms for administrator. Words like manager, supervisor, coordinator, and executive are often used depending on the specific responsibilities. For example, the manager assigned tasks to the team to meet the deadline, or the coordinator organized the charity event flawlessly. These words highlight someone taking charge and ensuring efficiency. On the flip side, antonyms for administrator include subordinate, employee, or worker. These terms refer to individuals who follow instructions rather than manage. For instance, the employee submitted their report to the supervisor, or the worker completed the assigned tasks by the end of the day. These examples show contrasting roles in the workplace. In everyday life, the word administrator pops up often. If you've ever needed to speak to the school administrator about your child's schedule or called the office administrator for assistance with paperwork, you've interacted with someone in this role. It's a versatile word that helps describe a key position in various settings. Let's look at some usage examples. The administrator updated the company's database with the latest client information. We need a skilled administrator to handle the logistics of this event. As an administrator, she excels at balancing multiple tasks efficiently. To wrap up, today we learned that an administrator is a person who organizes and manages tasks in an organization or office. We also explored its synonyms like manager and supervisor, as well as its antonyms like subordinate and employee. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. It really helps others discover the show. Don't forget to create your own sentence using administrator and share it with us in the comments. I'm Alex, and I'll see you next time for more words to boost your English skills.